Okay, right, Bachu. And starting few questions actually I have prepared uh, for my last year batch. I'm sharing those replica actually. First, I'll explain what I'm going to discuss today. This is actually one champs batch actually was there. For that, I have prepared advanced replica questions. Previously, I have prepared mains replica. In this file, I have prepared advanced replica question. What the advanced question JEE already have asked. For those questions, I have created some replicas. So those question I am going to discuss with you. Should we start now if all have joined? Bacho, can we start now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, you can start.
Okay, okay, right. See, so the first question, what I'm going to discuss with you, I'll just minimize this file. Is it okay? Is it visible to you? Right. So this is the first question. In this question, this is again replica of advanced paper actually. Correct options or option for the following sequence of reaction is oblique R. This is one question. And here I have mentioned P, Q, and V, R, W, U, T. That type of question already have asked in JEE Advanced. This is the replica. So you need to solve this question. And as per the options given A, B, C, D, you need to choose the answer. So in such type of question, what you need to do immediately, don't start. First, you read the paragraph, read all four options, then you will get exact idea how to proceed the question, right? So let's start with this first question. Come on. Please remember, start with question and all four options. Then only you will get some idea how to proceed. Directly, please don't proceed question.
A, C, D.
A, C, D.
Sir, AC.
A, C and A, C, D. Okay. Two answers you are getting. You must know each and every reagent functioning. What is the functioning of AgCN, LiLH4? What is benzenamine, AgNO2, again AgCN, phenylmethanamine, B2H6, functioning of these all reagents you must know. Then only it will be easy to solve this question. And in question itself also, what is the functioning of CHCl3 KOH? Like 2 times we are using KMNO4 heat, SOCl2 ammonia, like that. Okay. Yes, answer is absolutely A and C. Now you please check whether you are getting A and C or not. Check everyone. If you are comfortable, then I'll move to the next question. Should I discuss this? Bacho?
The B2H6 can reduce what groups?
B2H6 can reduce RCONH2 as well as RCOOH. RCOOH into RCH2OH, and amide it will reduce to RCH2NH2. B2H6 or BH3, you can use anyone. They reduce amide to amine and carboxylic acid to alcohol. You must know this. This is very important reagent actually, B2H6 or BH3. Should I discuss this question, Bacho, or should I move to the next one? So, okay, I'll copy this. So this is the question, beta. I'll discuss this. First thing is PHCH3 when react with Br2 and sunlight, we will get PHCH2Br, right? And then some Q they are asking, some V they are also giving, right? Like that. After that, this PHCH3 when react with KMNO4 and heat and all, then acidic workup, obviously we will get PHCOOH. That compound is T. When we'll do SOCl2, first we will get PHCOCl. PHCOCl when react with ammonia, we will get PHCONH2. Should I explain this also? SOCl2 replace OH and Cl will come. Ammonia will attack, remove Cl, will get this amide. Amide is U basically. And then some compound W, then R, and that R by chloroform and KOH, we are getting some foul smell. Right? It means this, by seeing this and this foul smelling, you immediately get idea of carbyl amine reaction. So this should be like a PHCH2NH2 type compounds of amine, so that I may get PHCH2NC. Amine with carbyl amine reaction will convert into isocyanate. So that W should be LiAlH4, that can reduce amide to primary amine, right? And here actually we need a Q. And as per the option, if you go, this W is LiLH4. Somewhere it is given in A option, W is given. Q option, they have given AgCN. Yes, if you attack by AgCN, in AgCN, N will actually attack and convert into PHCH2NC. So yes, that Q should be AgCN. So option A is valid. Q AgCN, W is LiLH4. Now we'll go for the C. Q is okay, AgCN. R should be phenyl methanamine. This R is phenyl methanamine. That is okay. Now the question is, why the other options are wrong? Why this V option KNO2 is wrong, WB2H6 is wrong? As per the W, if you use B2H6 even, that will reduce into the same compound. Then what is the problem with the V? If I use KNO2, KNO2 is like this O negative NO. So O negative will attack. In that case, you will get compound PHCH2ONO. And tin HCl we actually use for nitro. And the compound what we are getting is nitrite. So that will never convert into PHCH2, because if tin HCl is there, so nitro become NH2, and NH2 chloroform will convert into PHCH2NC. But here we are not getting nitro, we are getting nitrite. So V is anyway eliminated, D option is eliminated. Why R is eliminated? Benzenamine is basically aniline. We have not aniline, we have PHCH2NH2, right? Because there is no reducing agent which convert amide into directly NH2, CO remove. CO can remove if you use Hoffman bromamide reaction, then only you may get PHNH2 benzenamine. But there is no option of Br2KOH. So this option benzenamine is also eliminated. So answer A and C is only correct. Are you getting this? Who asked this question? You got this answer, beta? Hey, someone asked this question, na beta? Okay, you got it. Right. Very good. Now, this is the second question. This question is again like a replica of a JEE advanced question. You please go with. So in these type of fraction, I'm using reagents so that you can recall the functioning of reagents also. You please go with this question. And in such type of question, now what the JEE people do, out of the 3 option, they will give like, okay, you can easily manage. But there will be one option there where you need actually more actually concentration. You need to like use your real brain only. Out of 4, one option will be like that only. You please try this question.
So what is that written on number 2 in option A?
Butyl nitrite. BUO. पर्व ये दिख नहीं रहा है क्या?
नहीं सर, वो एक्चुअली दिख रहा था बट एक बार कंफर्म कर रहे थे.
Okay, it is butyl nitrite.
So ABD.
ABD. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. Anyone?
BD.
Okay. One more student gave answer ABD. Other one is BD. Okay. Good job, yaar. Very good. Answer is ABD. Very good. Very good. So any option should I discuss with you out of A, B, D? Butyl nitride is nothing, simply as you write na beta, sodium nitride. As you write simply sodium nitride, na, in the same manner I have written butyl nitride. So what you do with the sodium nitride, same you proceed with butyl nitride. When you protonate this, O will get positive, the electron withdraw, then butyl will attack by water, that become butanol. Remove that. And now you got the same thing, HONO. Now HONO, then convert into nitrosonium ion. Nitrosonium ion attack on that NH2, which we are getting by FeHCl reduction. NH2 with the nitrosonium, later it will come to diazonium salt. Diazonium with the CuCN, CN आ जाएगा, like cyanobenzene. Cyanobenzene like reduced by diable H, CHO. CHO by Wolff-Kishner reduction, CH3. Getting everyone? So actually I have used the new thing. Instead of sodium nitride, I have used butyl nitride. And if you feel, sir, why you have actually given this butyl nitride, this is given in Peter Sykes. In Peter Sykes, at one particular page, they have used this butyl nitride. Along with the sodium nitrate, they have used one more choice, butyl nitride, and you will get the same situation. You can convert any aniline compound by butyl nitrite with HCl, that will convert into diazonium salt. So you don't worry. If they use, instead of sodium nitrate, they use butyl nitrate, please don't worry. That will do the same function. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One student is asking C option in, sorry, I need to read again. Explain second step in C option. Okay, second step in C option. In C option, we have this compound, right? This is methyl. Here we have this Br, right? So with the alcoholic KOH condition, that is elimination basically. First, we will do beta elimination. This alkene, right? And the next reaction is OMDM. If you know, in alkene, actually oxymercuration, demercuration. If you know this thing, then simply we will get alcohol. And for alcohol, there is no meaning of this Wolff-Kishner reduction, yeah. So the C option is anyway wrong. You got my idea? Okay. Okay, okay, very good. So answer is ABD. Okay, come to the next question. That kind of question they have again already asked. You please see the question first. In this question, they have given some Newman's projection. And they're simply asking which one of the following options represents identical molecules. So what you need to do, actually same kind of question they have given in one, match the column. As one part, I have converted that one part into a complete question. So now you need to like open these Newman projections and then check with the IUPAC rule, okay, which two compound or which three compound, like which are actually identical, PQ or QS or QR or RS, whatever. So please open the Newman projection, then write the compound, use your IUPAC rules, and then check.
Sir, option B.
Option B.
Yes,
B
sir.
is Q and S. You are saying option B. Okay. Yes, absolutely. Option B is the answer. Anyone is getting doubt in this question? That's very simple. But you must know how to open the compound, apply the IUPAC rules. The question is very much simple, and such type of question they may ask somewhere in the middle. So you should not think in those questions is something they are hiding and all. So the standard question only. Should I move to the next one? Again, one more question. The first question, what I have prepared, same kind of replica, one more I have prepared for the one question given in JEE Advanced. For one particular, that one question, I have prepared 2 replicas.
Sir, option C.
Option C. Okay. Any other?
Only C.
Option C, sir.
Option C.
Yes, yes, the option.
Okay. And in this question, I think you guys, is that sure? Option C? Bacho, please check one more time. You are losing marks in this question. Suppose a partial marking is not given. One student is asking, what is the meaning of homologues? Okay, I'll solve this. Now you see, please, this question. First, they have given PHCH3 that will convert into PHCH2Br. That is okay. Then they are asking some Q. Okay. Then H2PDC. And we are getting some R compound. Okay. By KMNO4 KOH, obviously you will get COOH after workup. That compound is T. And then ammonia and heat, you will get amide. That you must know this point. It will convert into amide. Amide is U. And here some W, and we are getting one compound R, which is a homologue. Okay. PHCH2BRQ, that should be like AgNO2, so that I can get nitro compound. Nitro by H2PDC will get like PHNH2, right? And here W, what I'm saying, they're asking about homologue. What is the definition of homologue? Homologues are the species in which 2 consecutive members must have the difference of CH2. I am not asking the same compound. I am asking this, the last compound is the homologue of the R compound. This R is there, na? For this R compound, we must get here homologue, and homologue must have difference of CH2. So I should use here NaOH and Br2. That is NaOBr. That is given in W option, D option. Hoffman bromamide, if I do, then I will, this R compound is PHCH2R. So first I'll get PHCH2NO2 and then PHCH2NH2. So the bottom one should be homologue. So I should use this NaOH-Br2 Hoffman bromamide that convert PHCONH2 into PHNH2. Now they both are homologue and they are having the difference of CH2. That's why the bottom side you should use Hoffman bromamide reaction. Now, is that question clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So there is the trap, like their student may think about the same compound, but this is the homologue beta. Homologue must have the difference of CH2. So here in the W option, we must use the Hoffman bromamide reaction. Now, is that question clear to everyone? Bacho?
Sir, aniline and amine are considered same groups.
This is not the case like phenol and benzyl alcohol. In the case of phenol and benzyl alcohol, they are the different functional group because this is basically enol. But in case of aniline and benzenamine, you can't say that enamine. They both are the same functional group. Here we have the difference in properties. In phenol and benzyl alcohol, they are not homologue. They are the different functional group. But in aniline and benzenamine, they are the same functional groups.
Okay, sir.
Right? Yes. Okay. Okay. One more absolutely good question. I need to minimize a bit more because the D option. Now, are you comfortable to see this question, beta? This is absolutely good question and replica of one more question in JEE Advanced. Please read this question very carefully. Someone is asking about the previous question. He is saying answer should be B, C, D. R is a benzenamine. No, R is a phenylmethenamine. So why B option is correct, beta? R, what you have discussed, this is compound R, and R is phenylmethenamine, PHCH2, NH2. So B answer is wrong, absolutely. Okay, please go for this question. Read carefully. One student has given answer B, C, D. That type of question they have already asked in JEE Advanced. So you please don't think okay, this is some different, somewhat different question. Same type of question they have asked. And they have prepared this question from Peter Sykes. I can show you that question also, that theory part also. So are you stuck in this question or you have solved this? Bacho,
Solved, sir.
Parv,
Yes, sir.
you have solved this.
Yes, sir.
Remaining?
B, C, D.
Remaining? Okay. Yes, absolutely. Answer is BCD. Now, anyone want to say anything regarding this question? This question is absolutely very good question. How many of you have solved this question? Only Parv have solved this question. Bacho, if you don't speak, then how can I know that whether you are getting or not the questions?
Please explain, sir.
Okay, that only I am expecting. At least you please tell me something here. Okay, no worries. I'll explain. Okay, I'll tell you one small theory regarding this question. See, first you should know about the esterification, right? How we do esterification? Suppose you have this carboxylic acid along with the alcohol, suppose let's say R-OH, and we do this reaction in presence of acid H+. First, usually we protonate the double bonded O. And the reason behind that, we can protonate any of the oxygen. But because of the lone pair resonance of the single bond O, the double bonded O is having more electron density. So usually we do protonation on double bond O, but it doesn't mean we can't do protonation on single bond O. We can do protonation there also. And then this alcohol attack here, and we get the compound like RCOH, and this OH, and here we'll get OR dash. Again, if you do protonation, any of the OH you can do protonation now because both are the same now. If you do protonation, that OH will remove as a water. If suppose you do protonation here, that will like this leaving group, it will move out and O will give backup. We will get the ester like RCOOR dash. This is one standard method of esterification. If suppose this R become bulky, okay, I'll show in a simplest manner. Suppose if this R is bulky, 3CH3 with carbon, that kind of alkyl is there, this is bulky. And now if you do suppose esterification in this case, there is no meaning of doing protonation here. Because if you do protonation here and try to attack the alcohol here, it won't attack because of the crowding part. Then what to do? In this case, you do protonation here and remove this water so that you will get acylium ion. In that case, you will get this acylium ion, and the acylium ion, the O lone pair give back up to this cation. So we will get the condition like C triple bond O positive. Now this is least sterically hindered, and then your alcohol can easily attack here. So whenever this acid R part is bulkier, in such case, we should do protonation on this single bond OH so that we can get less steric part and our alcohol can easily get attacked. Suppose if your this part is not bulky, right, but your alcohol alkyl is very much bulky. In such case, we should do protonation obviously at alcohol, because again it is bulky, again it will difficult to approach the carboxylic acid. You should approach this OH, remove this, and in that case we will get a carbocation. Now steric hindrance remove. Now your carboxylic acid will attack here, and then we will get again ester formation. So there are three cases, right? If both alkyl are standard, simply O will get protonate and alcohol will attack. If acid R part is bulkier, then you remove single bond OH in the form of water, less steric situation, then easily attacked by alcohol. If your alcohol part is bulkier, then remove alcohol as water, and then cation get attacked by carboxylic acid, you will again get ester. Same situation, beta, you can apply in carboxylic esters also. This part I am explaining again. Suppose if you are having such case, methyl, 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 and here you have C double OH and some alcohol is there, then don't protonate this double bond O. You can't get attack here. So please protonate this one, remove this wall. You will get acylium here. You will get this type of acylium finally. And now this is less sterically hindered. Your alcohol can easily get attacked, and you will get the compound like C double bond O, OR dash, and methyl. The complete process is reversible. If you go for hydrolysis, again you protonate this OR. Remove the alcohol, again acylium this cation, then after this you attack the water, you will again get carboxylic acid. So whenever your alkyl part is bulkier in acid or in ester part, you must remove the single bond OR or single bond OH so that you can get this acylium. Now, if you apply the same thing in the question itself, here, this is the bulkier part of ester R. So protonate this OR part. See, right, just a minute, बच्चों. भैया मैं क्लास में हूँ अभी बाबा. अभी बाबा टाइम लगेगा. इसके बाद एक और है मेरी. हाँ. So now in this part, single bond OCH3 you have to remove in form of like methanol. You should protonate this, remove this, you will get here acylium. You will get here acylium and these three parts, and that W is basically methanol what you have removed. Now you see the option. W on heating with the soda lime. That's a wrong statement, yeah. That statement is good for carboxylic acid. Methanol never react with the soda lime. Degree of unsaturation of V is 6 for this compound. 3 and 2, 5 pi bond and 1 ring. Yes, degree of unsaturation is 6. Steric inhibition effect is observed more in U as compared to V. Yes, V because of the steric hindrance, we create this V compound, na? So in the U compound, steric hindrance is more. That is also okay. Product W give H2 gas with the sodium metal. Yes, any alcohol can release H2 gas with the sodium metal. This is the famous test. So the answer B, C, D is the perfect answer. Now you please tell me, anyone is getting doubt in this question? Bacho, now please tell me, anyone is getting doubt? This question is absolutely beautiful question, I'm telling you. Okay, If you are not having any doubt, okay, come to the next one. Determine the structure of U. That kind of question already they have asked in JEE Advance again. Come on, determine this. This question is the easier one. Just I tried to play with the structures only. You need to check this structure. Which structure after ozonolysis will give these two pictures?
Sir,
Hanji,
I joined a bit late due to some reason. How much did I miss?
most of the part actually you have lost.
No, sir,
Now the class is going to over better.
I was giving the test for today. Sorry, sir.
No worries.
Sir, option C.
Option C.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Option C.
What you are getting, Bacho? Answer.
Option C.
Option C. Absolutely. Yes. Perfect. Answer is C only. Yes, correct. Answer is C. So I think no need to discuss this question. This is a bit easy only. Bacho, can I move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The major product formed in the following reaction is. This is somewhat easy only. Just because of the structure, please don't be panic. The question is not tough. But replica of one advanced question. This is the complete file of replica only. One more student given the same answer, A. Yes, absolutely answer is
Yes, sir.
yes, yes, yes. Answer is A. That's easy, beta. Obviously, this part is not going to disturb in any option. So don't think about this part. So, right? So please don't think. Now, then where to do protonation? Obviously, we have only one option. Do protonation. Pi bond will shift, will get cation. Pi do resonance, will get cation. Methyl migration will get cation. Do resonance will get cation. Remove one H, you will get aromaticity back. So option A is a perfect option. Check this question. Final major product obtained in the following reaction. You need to check final major product. One student have given answer B.
B option.
Yes, sir.
B
B.
option. Absolutely. Yes. Perfect, yaar. बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. It's very good. Concentrated H2SO4. Okay, you will just do protonation here. Remove this water. You will get cation. Pi bond shift. Here we get cation. Migrate the methyl. Cation will more resonance stabilized. Then again do resonance. Cation will be here. Then do elimination. You will get benzene ring. So actually you will get compound like this. Actually you will get compound like this. And when you do this oxidation, the carbon part which is having alpha H, alpha H, alpha H, alpha H, they will oxidize to carboxylic acid. They will oxidize to carboxylic acid, and then we can do dehydration and we will get acid anhydride. That is the question. You have done like this only?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Okay, one more question I'm giving you. This question is ultimate question. What I have prepared now, there is one small trap again. You need to be careful. The structure of compound X, which is having the molecular formula C8H11NO. Based on the following test and observation is a reagent. If we use a neutral FeCl3, the observation is violet color. Victor-Mayer test, it will give red color. Hinsberg test, it will give white PPT, which is insoluble in KOH. So identify the compound X. Anyone?
Yes, sir. B.
B, sir.
Yes. If someone get trapped in this question, That's the worst choice. Simply check which molecular formula is applicable and which option.
Yes, sir.
The simple thing only. Don't get trapped in neutral FeCl3, Victor Meyer, Heinzberg and all. Simply check the molecular formula. Why I have created this question? You must have that information. If molecular formula is given, you must be bit careful that you have to follow the molecular formula. Right? Okay.
Sir, can NOH give Victor Meyer test?
Yes. But the formula is not matching with the compound. Because in the compound only single nitrogen. C option is also correct, but formula is not matching. C option can give a neutral FeCl3 test. Yes, phenol is there. It will give Victor Meyer test. Yes, because this oxime part is in a double bond NOH. This actually formed during the Victor Meyer test of alcohol only. So it will give red color. This condition form in primary alcohol test during the Victor Meyer. And Heinzberg, so for a secondary alcohol, secondary amine is there, secondary amine, but formula is not matching.
सर
हाँ
सर बी ऑप्शन में भी दो ओ दिए हुए हैं बट मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला में ओ एक ही है.
okay, that I will correct because 2 oxygen is anyway mandatory. I think it is somewhat removed some I don't know how it is removed. It is NO2 only.
Okay.
So okay, now this question. Oh no, not this one. This is waste one. This last question. You please try this question also. Is that question visible to everyone with all 4 options? This question is also very good. Not tougher one, but this question is good and fit for JEE Advanced.
Sir, this is a PYQ, I think.
This is not exactly PYQ. It is somewhat changed.
So the last option is not visible. Could you scroll a bit up?
N is palladium, calcium carbonate, quinoline, H2.
Sir, B and C.
Okay.
No, sir. A, B, and C.
सर ए बी सी डी.
A, B,
AB, sir.
D. Absolute answer is A, B, C, D, beta. Now you can check. Question is easy only.
Sir, the D reagent is same as H2PD quinoline.
Obviously. Answer is A, B, C, D. Or you have any doubt? Bacho, please tell me if you are having any doubt.
Sir,
P option.
in the PDCaCO3, what is the role of CaCO3, sir?
Which case that the surface provider basically along with the palladium.
Okay, sir.
Option P will not be because it doesn't match with C7H10O6.
Option P. In option P, what they're asking, a reagent. Okay, if you go with the option that a poisoned hydrogenation, they reduce the alkyne, right? Like this. Then KMnO4 will do oxidation. So here you will get COOH. And oh, sorry, I have created a wrong side double bond. Sorry. Here. So, and then oxidation, if you do for this double bond, here will get a COOH. Now, this is not the chiral center. So, we are getting optically inactive acid.
Carbons are not matching.
Carbons are
Yes,
not
sir.
matching. In the Q. Okay, that I'll check.
7
1,
carbons.
3, 4, 5, 6. It should be 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
Yes,
Okay, that I will correct. That I will correct. That I'll change. Please don't worry. But the question was like that. Okay, I'll change this now only. In both the case 6 only, na?
No, sir, in only Q.
Okay. In next, is here we are getting 7 only?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. By mistake, it actually is done. So, bacho, this part is done. Now I'm just telling you one more thing better. You please be here only. One thing what I have shared to my students in Jaipur is this one. Bacho, I have given them one file of chemistry in everyday life. I have prepared many questions of chemistry in everyday life. Right? If you suppose once revise chemistry in everyday life, I have prepared many different questions like this. I have used this coupling reaction, and by coupling reaction, I have prepared Pronto cell. That kind of question, JEE Advanced, they can ask, right? And like this question I have written with NaOH, acetic acid, K2CO3, methyl added, and I have prepared another derivative of opium poppy, right? That is given in your chemistry in everyday life. And same like that, I have prepared here detergents, right? And like many question, novestrol, the structure I am asking just to confuse the students, right? In the here Pronto cell structure I have asked. In the same manner, Salvarsan, same kind of a structure. And then this is okay. This is easy only. And then Pronto cell in body, identify the compound, and in the body. Okay, Pronto cell, I'm simply asking. Then prostaglandin. Again, this is one more question what I have asked. PQR with the reagent. Then I am asking morphine, heroin, and codeine. That kind of different question I have prepared. This is a simple compound. By using the reagent, I am preparing some chemistry everyday life molecule. I am preparing here. Same like this only, right? Like that, I have prepared many questions related with the reagent of chemistry in everyday life. So once you suppose revise chemistry everyday life, I can like make you understand how to proceed these type of questions. Can you revise? This is again one more different question, but question is from chemistry in everyday life. That only I'm saying. So if you revise once chemistry in everyday life, I can discuss this file also with you. When you can be ready with the chemistry in everyday life, Bacho? Can you tell me once when you will be ready?
Next class.
Okay, sure. So please, everyone, please get ready with chemistry in everyday life. And okay, should I show my NCERT book to you also? If you want my book, I can share my book also. I'll share to Prasad sir, and then Prasad sir will give you that PDF. This is my chemistry in everyday life, actually marked copy. In this marked copy, now what I have done, you can see this file. See, I have like done post-mortem of this like chemistry in everyday life. You can, if you are good at your study, you can easily understand this book. I can share this chapter PDF, and then you can revise like many things actually I have written in the NCERT. So like this, like that, I have done many things. Or if you have something good, then please you revise on your own, and then we can discuss this. Okay, bacho?
Sir, can you also share polymers PDF? Polymers chapter, your NCERT.
Polymer, I have done not much actually. Because that question is just normal question, normal chapter only. In chemistry everyday life, I thought many question actually they can prepare. Okay, bacho. Next class we'll discuss the chemistry in everyday life. You please get ready with your topic revision.